Lost important videos on your iPhone? Here are 9 methods to help you recover them fast. Act quickly once storage is overwritten. Recovery chances drop. Part 1. Why did the videos on the iPhone disappear? Accidental deletion. Outdated iOS. Changed iCloud sync settings. Factory reset. Untrusted third-party apps. Part 2. How to fix the videos disappeared from iPhone. Issue 9 ways. Way 1. Restart iPhone. If videos disappeared after an iOS update or for unknown reasons, try restarting your iPhone. Hold the power button, slide to power off, then hold the button again to restart. Way 2. Check the recently deleted folder. On your iPhone, go to Photos, Albums, Recently Deleted in the Recently Deleted folder. Find and select the videos you want to get back. Tap Recover, and you can see them are restored to your iPhone album videos. Way 3. Restore missing videos on iPhone from iTunes or iCloud Backup. Go to Settings on your iPhone and choose General. Tap Reset, erase all contents and settings, erase iPhone. This will reboot your iPhone and initiate the reset process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. Once you encounter the Apps and Data screen, tap on Restore from iCloud Backup and log in with your Apple ID and password. Select the backup you want to restore. Restore from iTunes Backup. Launch iTunes and connect your iPhone to computer. Click on your iPhone icon at the top and click Summary. Click Restore Backup. Select the backup that contains your videos and click Restore to get your videos back. Way 4. Recover disappeared videos from iPhone with Doctor for iOS. If your iPhone video disappeared and you don't want to restore from iCloud or iTunes, try Mobican Doctor for iOS. It's a powerful tool to recover deleted files from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Step 1. Choose Recover from iTunes Backup file. Download and install Doctor for iOS on your system. Launch it, and when you are in the main screen, select the Recover from iTunes Backup file mode. Then, the utility will scan your computer and display all the iTunes backup files. Step 2. Scan the missing videos. Select the iTunes backup that contains your disappeared videos and click Start Scan. Wait a while. All files types in the backup will be scanned out. Please mark Camera Roll and click Start Scan again. Step 3. Recover the videos disappeared from iPhone. All videos in the iTunes backup will be displayed on the screen. Select the ones you need and click Recover to Computer to save the recovered iPhone videos on the computer. Way 5. Verify if you hide the videos. Open Photos, tap Albums, then, hidden under Other Albums, select the video, tap the download icon, and choose Unhide to restore it. Way 6. Make sure that iCloud Photos is enabled. Turn on Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Go to Settings and click on your name. Tap iCloud Photos and enable iCloud Photos. Way 7. Sign in with the same Apple ID. If you are looking for videos on a different device now, then you must make sure you are using the same Apple ID on that device. You can check if you are signed in with the same Apple ID in the Settings app of your device. Way 8. Confirm that the Videos app is moved to a new folder. If the Video app disappears, check all home screen folders. It may have been moved there accidentally. Way 9. Search for the Video app. If the iPhone video option disappeared on your iPhone, you can search for the Video app directly on your phone. Just hit Search and enter Video, then download the app you need.